A voltmeter of resistance 400 ohm is used to measure the potential difference across 100 ohm resistor in the circuit shown in figure. What will be the reading of voltmeter? What was the potential difference across 100 ohm before the voltmeter was objected? So this is the circuit diagram given. 84 volt is the EMF of the cell. 100 ohm and 200 ohm are the two resistors connected. So voltmeter resistance is given, it is 400. So now we need to find the potential difference across parallel combination of voltmeter and 100 ohm, and then before connecting voltmeter, what was the potential difference across 100 ohm. These two things we have to find out. So first thing, if we consider effective resistance of this combination, hundred ohm and voltmeter, both are in parallel. So parallel combination will have equivalent resistance R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So that is 100 into 400 divided by 100 plus 400. So that will give you 80 ohm. This is the effective resistance. Then current in the circuit, that is current drawn from the battery, if I call it as I, that should be equal to total EMF 84 volt divided by total resistance. Total resistance is this Rp plus 200. Rp is what? 80 plus 200, both are in series. So that will be 84 divided by 280, that is 0.3 ampere. Now in the first case, this is case A. So if I find potential difference across parallel combination, that is voltmeter reading, that is equal to voltmeter reading that should be equal to I into Rp, current into resistance from Ohm's law. So current is 0.3 ampere, resistance is 80 ohm, that should be 24 volt. So after connecting voltmeter, potential difference across the combination of 100 ohm and voltmeter put together, it is 24 volt. So this will be voltmeter reading. Now the case 2 is before voltmeter was connected, what was the potential difference across 100 ohm. So that is case B, before the voltmeter was connected. So before the voltmeter was connected, current is total EMF by total resistance. EMF is 84 volt, total resistance is 100 plus 200, that is equal to 84 by 300, that is 0.28 ampere. So this was the current. Now potential difference across 100 ohm is equal to current 0.28 into resistance, that is 100, that is equal to 28 volt. So before connecting voltmeter, potential difference across 100 ohm was 28 volt. After connecting, it becomes 24. So this is the expected answer.